Here we have our Mitosis and Meiosis virtual lab. This is using actually the same developed lab, interactive lab that we used for our eukaryotic cell organelles previously, but if you don't remember how to use that, I'm going to walk you through that. So make sure you take a moment to read the purpose, introduction, and background before moving on to the directions on the second page. But once you click your virtual lab, you're going to be able to open up, and I'm going to show you the full screen here. Make sure your menu is open, so if it's closed to the side here, just click on menu so you can see everything. We've got cell function, and then we have cell structures, and when you roll your cursor over them, it's going to highlight it in the picture of the cell here. So whether it's the function, all right, or the structures. And when you open up a structure, you can see then different components. So it's showing you when it's happening. This is during our mitosis. You also can see on the side here, when you click on things, it's going to give you more information about that. So as I move through, I have my mitochondria, I have my nucleolus, and so on, that I can choose and look at what's happening during that time period. You also can click on the different parts of the mitosis, the cell cycle, and see what that part of that organelle is looking like during that time of cell division there. And then the same thing if I were to move into cell functions. I can see what's happening to, for example, the microtubules during our mitosis. So I can see when they're prominent, where they're going to be within the cell itself, how they're moving, how they're playing a role in that. So as you move through here, you can see, you can also move your cursor if you have your zoom, so you can zoom in and out so you can see a little bit better what's going on if you want to. Also take notice that it's showing a lot of times the different parts of that cell that it's looking at that moment, so that you can see that in terms of where in the cell you are at that moment. And you can always scroll on this right hand side to be able to see a lot more details, and then there's additional resources as well with that.